Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can lock layers in your Sketchbook app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Sketchbook app. So once your Sketchbook app gets opened up, all you need to do is simply press on the layer like option, and once you have pressed on it, you will end up having this screen. So now simply press on the lock button on one of the layers. So this will help you lock your layer as it is. So if you can add some more layers, you have to repeat the same step to lock it as well. So in this way, you can lock layer in your Sketchbook app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that bell icon as well.